Now, the former South African president Jacob Zuma has been ordered by the Gauteng High Court to repay his legal fees amounting to 28.9 million. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Judge Anthony Miller stated that Zuma's arguments were self-serving and meritless, and that he had no rational basis to claim he wasn't responsible for repaying this specific money. Now, this case, it stems from an October 2025 judgment directing Zuma to repay the 28.9 million that was an advanced payment for his private legal expenses. Now, the court declared payments unconstitutional, and Zuma was ordered to pay interest and also report on enforcement steps. However, Jacob Zuma can still turn to the Supreme Court of Appeal directly to apply for leave to appeal. And if he fails to make repayment of the 28.9 million within 60 days, his assets, including his presidential pension, will be attached and sold. I must say that it's not easy to be an Umkhonto weSizwe member and Jacob Zuma at this present moment, as Jacob Zuma is still facing multiple charges, including corruption, fraud, and money laundering. Now, these charges are in relation to a 1999 arms deal. Now, his trial has been ongoing for years with numerous delays and appeals, and also it led to the NPA to accuse Jacob Zuma of serial abuse of court processes. What are your thoughts?